5 nature-inspired stress relief practices. Ocean. Let the waves wash it away. Breathing calm with each wave. As it flows out, release your stress. Forest. Let the trees hold you. Feel grounded. Trees remind us to grow slowly and stay rooted. Mountains. Find stillness in strength. Strong, silent, steady, let their calm anchor you. Meadow. Breathe with the breeze. Lie in the sun, feel the wind lift your worries. Light and free. River. Flow and let go. Each ripple carries your thoughts forward. No force, just flow. Save this for when you need a mental reset.